Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can directly email your Google Slides presentation to someone. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open our Google Chrome, and after opening the Google Chrome, we have to open our Google Slides presentation, and after opening that, we have to click on the file, and after clicking on the file, you will get the email option here. So what we need to do, simply we have to click on the email this file. So let's click on the email this file, and after clicking on this, now simply what we have to do, we have to write the email address here. So I'm going to write the email address here. So let's write this. And if you want to write a subject file name, you can also do that. As you can see, this is the file name. If you want to write any kind of message, you can also do that. And after that, you have to choose your file type, which type of file, which file type he will get, PowerPoint or the plain text or the PDF. So I'm going to choose the PDF, and then let's click on the same, and he will get the file, and he will get the PDF copy of your Google Slides presentation. So in this way, you can share your presentation through directly through email. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.